Well, Jamal is a rogue agent, you know. So,
Well,
maybe
guess
that
what?
a rogue group. Jamal, no, there's a lot of things. Okay, look here.
No, that's the problem. I heard that the coach said to him that he's there he's almost just to participate, like what Devontae Cole did, like as a we call just for experience, like something like even how Brandon covers in Austria.
And you don't want to check it out.
No, well, let me finish. So what happened is the player felt that they didn't do that to do John Whisper with the Gold Cup, and he's playing in the championship, which is above what Dujan Whisper is in relegation backers fighting in U18 and U21 football. You know what I mean? So he's looking at it like it's a disrespect from the coach not selecting him as a consideration to play.
Hold on, man. Y'all got to turn the radios up. Y'all got to turn them up.
Get in our first team, 23-man team, semi-finals. We can't understand real life of me that you're in the first team, semi-finals, and you not thinking my fleet by the play?
I think this is where his youthfulness comes in. Because look at Devontae Cole. Listen, where him don't understand is the Jamaica team are going to eventually run out of spots. Not because him not good, but when you start see when a Bailey come back, a Gray come back, and then you have a Boyz come back, you start realize, and then maybe a Devontae Cole finally gets in, and the coach might think, okay, this is an aggressive striker, I could work these three strikers. You then start look on the outside like, okay, I was actually the last 23 and I didn't go.
Do you think he might make that play for Jamaica?
I hope so.
And I feel so. And they make
Because he knows his brother is supposed to be a part. Look here. I can almost guarantee, say it's a very, very high possibility that it's not just him, but there are negotiations between for him and his brother. So,
but I play leader.
I'm not even so sure what position brother play, but I know that brother is rated very highly, even more than Cadamarteri.
I think he's younger than him to do.
17s, but he's rated very highly.
Really?
Go ahead, Mr. Campbell.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen. Bailey Ty wants Jamaica to know that he's committed to the cause. He's committed, man.
Gentlemen.
He's committed to the cause. If you ever know the challenge is, listen, sometimes you put yourself in the player's position. You don't understand how England work. When England call you up, when England call you up to a camp, you better go. Or else you'll get the wrath of the English system. Here? Yeah. So listen, so the good thing is that the players involved, three of them involved. So not him was in the national thing, but the good thing is that they are going to play friendly games for England. Come July,
how many games?
U20s.
How many games am I going to play?
Bailey Ty is going to play one game against Morocco. Right? It's two of them in that team. Right? Then there's one in the U18 who going to play against some friendly games. The good thing is that they're friendly games. So they don't need to get clearance international to come and play for us in July. Keep in mind, the aim is to qualify for the U20s. That's a bigger picture in all this. And unlike last time, whereby the emphasis was different, this time it's about qualifying for the U20s. So the players are committed.
I was shocked he was in the senior team though.
All right, but Mr. Campbell, may I ask that? All right. If the player choose England now in a friendly, right, and he's so happy about it, you wouldn't think he would be more happy if England called him up for an official game?
Listen, if the thing is that, listen, I said to you, this thing about players turning down England, make him do it now. If England call him, must have to go.
But Mr. Campbell, you don't realize you're straight in an argument, Mr. Campbell.
Say what?
You're
exactly.
I mean, what?
I'll turn down England on our way.
Hold on, man. Y'all got
No, what I'm saying.
Where was Holland when he did that? Where was Holland? Where was he? Where's Holland born? Where's Holland born?
Germany.
Where's Holland born? Where is he born? Where was he when he did that?
Holland born in England.
Yeah, but Alan not need England.
Where was he when he was there? Where was Holland?
Born in England. Alan born in England.
England not play Germany, man. England not play Germany.
Me said Alan born in England, but played in Germany. No, but he turned it down. He turned it down.
Where was Holland though? Where was Holland? Where was he at the
He was
time?
playing Germany.
He's in Germany. If Holland was a youth player, in England under some developmental contract, I'm certain he would have played for England. It was there. It was in their system, we would have played for them.
Okay. All right.
Mr. Campbell, my concern is this. Because the player take great joy in England calling him, right? Because I can't do him here, he post it on in Instagram. And that's a friendly. So I can only imagine if they call him for a official game, he will be more happy. That's my concern.
Listen,
did he post about Jamaica calling him up to a semi-final?
No.
Listen, he did post that when he went to Jamaican High Commission for his application, that was posted. Nobody saw that.
His passport, yeah.
Hold on, man. Y'all got to turn radios up. Y'all got to turn them up.